Project Summary Item Margin. Item Margin is a window that allows you to generate a very specific margin for your direct and overhead cost schedule items, in addition to your general margin calculations. In the Project Summary window, you have the ability to customize margin on an item-by-item basis with the Item Margin feature. To work with Item Margin, go to the Project Summary window. Before you can make any changes, select Edit in the ribbon menu. Then, click the Item Margin button at the top. In the Item Margin window, you will see the details for each of your direct costs and overhead costs items. From here, you can drill down and customize the margin types applied on a line-by-line basis. The pencil icon shows the columns you can edit. There are two types of margin that can be generated from the Item Margin window. The default setting is Extra Margin. This margin is added to the margin pool, which is in turn spread across all the direct cost items proportionally. Clicking the Apply button allows us to see this detailed in the Project Summary window. Let's reopen the Item Margin window. At the moment, the extra margin generated will be spread proportionally across all the direct cost items within the project, as per the normal spread routine. Because of this setting here in the Applies To column, it is set to Project by default. You can change this to Apply to Item. This means that during the spread calculation, only this item will receive the additional margin being generated. You are now customizing the item spread on a per item basis. The other option we have here is to set the margin type to be override margin. This is very useful if you have a particular item that is predominantly being developed by subcontractors. If you are not generating a profit on these items, then you can set an override margin of 0% based on the item, effectively taking that item out of all margin calculations, except for the of-project total margin. When you use the Item Margin Allocation feature, the estimated total costs in the Project Summary window will not change. Any margin generated from the Item Margin window will be displayed in the Margin Calculations and Project Total sections of the Project Summary window. Remember to save your changes. And that's working with Project Summary Item Margin Allocation in Expert Estimation. To find out more about this feature, have a look at the relevant links provided in the description box below. Our in-house customer support specialists are here to help you 24/7 every day of the year.